Hi everybody, Rocco Damiano again. I'm going to talk about the piece you see in back of me on a loop, repeating itself. I use this in my computer animation for the web class as a way to show the students how some of the tricks of the graphics industry work. One of the most obvious things, of course, are the fade in and outs that you see. The back glow, it's actually two pieces. It's a colored piece with a white glow. They have Gaussian blur and all that on them, so they're soft. It's supposed to simulate a stage backlight on a wall. Of course, it's just the magic of Photoshop. We don't go on a stage. We do everything on the computer. The other thing I did was I found an image of a phone, and I just used it for a stand-in so I can show the students how, using that Photoshop Extended Animation Timeline, you can move multiple objects at the same time. You can also flip them vertically and change the opacity, put a layer mask on it, and get a very subtle reflection on what appears to be a floor or a tabletop, and again, in reality, it's just the magic of Photoshop. They're not on a tabletop. They're not on a floor. They are just flat 2D art that is created, composited in such a way in Photoshop to make it look fairly spectacular. I think you'll agree. So we talk about color, we talk about composition, we talk about layout, we talk about motion, we talk about timeline, we talk about keyframes, and then we talk about effects. And you see all of that at work here. We also talk about fonts. And then, of course, some sort of catchy slogan. I just happened to come up with this because I wanted something for the students to remember the project by. So I live, I breathe, iPhone was just something kind of, I thought, maybe clever that I came up with to just keep them involved, So that's it. There's other stuff. Again, at the end of this clip, you'll see the information. Drop me a line or make a comment on the YouTube channel if you want about the piece. Hopefully you like it. Again, it's what I use in the classroom to teach computer animation for the web. Thank you.